Hey everybody, my name is Jonathan and today I've got my hands on a brand new pair of the FitVille Rebound Cores. I'm really excited to check out the features of this new innovative line of sneakers. Now the Rebound Cores come in three colors: black, majolica blue, and this one here, the sandy gray. Now you can see very stylish and it can combine well with all sorts of attire. Now the Rebound Core was designed with your comfort in mind. You can see first of all the wider toe box, as well as the higher instep. This was designed to give you more space and a more comfortable fit. Another key piece of technology is the 5-piece sole. Now this is so innovative that it is currently being patented as we speak. Now the first part is the bottom. It's made of anti-skid rubber. So whether it's raining or snowing or whatever type of terrain, it's going to keep you walking comfortably and safely. Now this portion here is made of two different density materials. The back portion is a thicker density, and this will support a large amount of weight. So no matter how heavy the wearer is, this will not collapse and it will last long into the future. Back here, this colored portion is a shock absorption pad. This will help to ease your bounce, whether you're walking or running, and it'll make a better fit for your feet and make your legs and body feel better as well. One of my favorite pieces of technology is this heel support ring. Now this will keep your foot from moving excessively back and forth from left to right, or what we call overpronation. Now the upper portion of the shoe is made of genuine leather with more than 10,000 stitches per pair, fine craftsmanship. So I've unwrapped my pair of the FitVille Rebound Cores, designed with my comfort in mind, really stylish. How about you get your pair as well? Head on over to thefitVille.com and pick up yours today. Thanks for watching.